Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube. And if you're new to this Vlogmas vlog, bloopers, sorry, whoops, let's run it back. Happy Vlogmas day number 5. That's how we're gonna start this out. And if you're new to this Vlogmas, welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube. Happy Vlogmas day number 5. So today's Vlogmas, as you see, we're keeping up. Today's Vlogmas is going to be about wrapping gifts and putting them under the tree. Now, it's not only about that, it's also about, let me rewind that. Today's Vlogmas is going to be about tallying up gifts and putting them under the tree. Now, the reason I say this, and some may know my plight, when you have a big family, I don't know about others, but I'm going to tell you how I do it. And I've been doing this for years, and that's why I take advantage of things like Black Friday, things like sales after Thanksgiving. I take full advantage of those things. Been doing it since I would say 1999 is about when I started doing Black Friday and things like that. Okay. What I tend to do is I tend to take advantage of these times when it's almost Christmas to catch up, because I have to start going Christmas shopping, because I do have a big family. So what I'm doing, and what I usually do, is I'm wrapping my gifts that I've been buying, and then I tally up how much each person has. I'm a big stickler to nobody getting more gifts than the other. I've always been that way. Ever since I've had kids, I've always tried to make sure, when I've had multiple kids, that make sure each child has the same amount of gifts on Christmas. Each child's birthday is recognized. Each child has their moment. So on Christmas, even if my kids are grown, I try to make sure if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 gifts each person will have 10 gifts. That's what I do. 5 gifts each. Whatever it is, I make sure every person has that same amount on Christmas Day, so that nobody can be like, well, this one had 4 and I only had 2. I don't like that. I don't want no child to feel like they didn't have the same amount as their siblings. So that being said, it says you better be good for mommy's sake. I made that, yesterday, so that because mommy got to bring some gifts in, so be good, mommy's looking. But back to what I was saying. So what I'm doing right now is I'm tallying up my gifts, and I'm tallying up wrapping gifts and counting is what I'm doing, so that I can see how much gifts I have per child. So I started putting gifts under the tree literally on Black Friday, because that's when we went first shopping for Christmas. And so I got some gifts under the tree, and we went out yesterday, picked up a couple of things from Walmart, must-haves. I had to get them when I seen them, so I picked up a couple of more things. And the reason being is because it's getting closer and closer to Christmas. The more closer it gets to Christmas, the more I try to pick up little things. I also have stocking stuffers. I went the other day, we bought stocking stuffers, and everybody already has something in each stocking. I'm pretty sure, I think my dad is the only one I got to get something to put in his stocking. I may already have something, I'm not sure, but I try to do things like that so that everybody can feel inclusive, guys. So that's what today's Vlogmas is about. I am tallying up gift numbers, and I am wrapping gifts, because I want everybody to have the same amount of gifts. And what this Vlogmas is about, guys, and I'm going to show you my tree so far. I'll show you the gifts that I'm wrapping right now. Let me move this away, because this one's not wrapped. So this one is for Brooke. I just did that. That's for Shyla. This one I haven't put the title on it, but this is going to be for Ashanti. And I got gifts under the tree already, so let me just show you guys. Let me see. Let's see what we got in here. So far I have, let's see what I have. I have this many gifts under my tree. So guys, as you see, this is what we have so far under the tree. And I don't know what that one back there is, why it's open, but I'm gonna have to fix that. And got some more over here. Got some back there. here. Got some in this bag. Got some right here. Got some right here. And so the reason for this vlog, guys, is like I said, is to show inclusiveness. I, don't want my kids to ever have that feel of, oh, wow, this one got that many gifts and I didn't get that many. This one got this many, gifts. I don't want a child to feel that way. And I'm also going to say for the parents out there who may be thinking about Christmas and like, I'm not gonna, I got these kids. I don't know what I'm gonna get this year. I don't have that much money. Let me let you know. Walmart, Five Below, Dollar Tree Plus, because that's what it's called now. Dollar Tree Plus they have an aisle where they have $3 and $5 items. Nice items too, not little corn idols. Nice items. Stocking stuffers, Dollar Tree, Five Below, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. These are places that parents who don't have a lot of money, because a lot of these people, want to try to keep up with this one and that one. If you do these things, you will get a certain amount of gifts and you will make yourself feel good, your child will feel good, and they will have a Christmas holiday. Don't overdo yourself and don't overwork yourself. Do what you can. Do gift counting so that way everybody feels inclusive, and just make sure that you try not to break your pockets, because Christmas is only one day. There's also that day after Christmas when everything goes on sale. Again, take advantage of that, because you can get stuff now and put it away for birthdays, Christmas, or whatever for next year, the day after Christmas. Just like there's a day after Thanksgiving, there's a day after Christmas sale. So guys, I just want to say welcome to Vlogmas number 5. And this is tallying gift numbers and making sure everybody has the same amount of gifts when you have a big family. Thank you guys so much for watching My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Thank you so much for joining us each and every day when we post a video. We are thankful, we are blessed, and we appreciate it for you guys. Without you guys, there'd be no My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Stay tuned. And if you want more tips like this, please don't forget, subscribe to this video. My Crazy Big Black Family. Mwah. And welcome to Vlogmas number 5. My Crazy Big Black Family style. Get subscribed. Bye.